Hey guys, today we have an unboxing from speedcube.com.au. Let's get into this elephant in the room. Now, I'm not one for preserving boxes, so please look away if you don't like violence against boxes. There we go. And blah blah blah. So, the most interesting item we have today is probably... Wait, what the heck is this? Oh, this is my Mofangi Thunderclap. Which is one of the cubes I'm trying out. So it's got a lot of interesting stuff in the box. What's that? Cup holder. Interesting. Instructions. Who needs those? Boring. Now, the Thunderclap. Now, I'm very excited to try this cube as I've never actually felt a Thunderclap. So, now is the time. Right. So I can get into it. Right. First turns. Ooh. I like. Very fast. Yes, so we're going to have a play around with this cube. Ready for my competition next weekend. I like that. Now we also have some lubricant. This is a 100% pure silicon weight 1 Speedcube lube. So yeah, we're going to give that a try. Try and get our cubes faster, and of course just your normal Maru lube. Now we also have some new stickers for my GANs, which I'm using as a microphone stand. Yep, and the last item of all, we have the Moyu GTS cube. Now there's some fancy as wrapping, so just bear with me. How the heck? Oh, dear God. Why do they make it so hard? Okay, there we go. Ooh, interesting. So we have a little box which has got some instructions. Some Chinese guy. Hi guy. And here we go. GTS. Interesting. It's not as compared to the Thunderclap. It's very loose and slightly sandy. This is still a little sandy, but it feels more tight. It's like I can do that, like that, but I can't do it. Well, I can sort of. It just feels more, I don't know, stable. I don't know, something to try out anyway. So yeah, hopefully we'll have some reviews comparing the Thunderclap to the Moyu GTS and my GANs 356 Advanced version 2. Right, another video coming out soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Boom.